Hey guys, as I do, what's up you guys? It's GoDuck41. What you guys been up to? Anything professional, anything except, well, right now you guys, we are going to interview today, yes, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. We are going to an interview, it's gonna be fun, challenging, but it's okay you guys, so that's what we are doing. It's gonna be fun. Interviews always are fun usually sometimes, so I'm just heading there right now. So Rachel is hopefully doing homework for tonight, because we are going to do homework counseling tonight, and then we are going to just do some stuff, so that's what we're going to do. So talk to you guys then. Hey guys, I just got back from the interview and I'm going to clean the fridge, you guys, see what stuff we can keep, what stuff we are going to throw away, because there's some stuff that we are going to toss away because it's been in the fridge for a little while, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Look how tidy it is, you guys. It looks so good. It's so good. We organized everything like that. It's so clean. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are filling up with gas, you guys, and then we are going to Roger Anna's to do counseling. So that's what we're doing. So talk to you guys then. Guys, so right now you guys, we are jumping in the shower. Nice and cold because it is so hot outside. So we just got done marriage counseling, so and also we just put air conditioning, so hopefully that cools down the room. So I'm just jumping in the cold shower, so that's what's going on. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.